Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to invite your friend on Discord server. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. First, open up your Discord application, then click on this three lines icon and here select a server. I'll select that one and then open some channel. I will open that text channel and here tap on that icon at the top right and here select settings. Now scroll down for a bit to find invites. Tap on that option and now you see that there is my invites, and now I can tap on three dots icon and select the way that I want to invite the person. I can copy link and send that link directly to the person, or I can tap here share and select some messenger or social network to send that invite to the person. Also here I can copy the invitation link and then I can open up WhatsApp, for example, tap here and paste that link to that person and send the invitation. As you see, that's a regular link, and if that person click on that link, she will able to accept the invitation to join your server. That's how it works. Make sure you like this video if it was helpful for you, and see you next time.